Hi everyone, my name is Aditya Teja. You're watching Aditya Flutes. I am flute teacher. So today let's learn this music, enchanting flute music from the movie Krishna or Kans. This is a very famous music. Most of the Krishna devotees love this song. So let's learn this tune. Sari sari ga pa da. See? Sari sari ga pa da. Ni da sa ni da pa ga ri ri. Ni da sa ni da pa ga ri ri. Sa ri ga sa pa ga ri ri. See? Sa ri ga sa pa ga ri ri. Komal Ri, okay? Sa ni ni da sa ri sa ni sa. Sa ni ni Komal Ni. Sa ni ni da sa ri sa ni sa. Here are the full notations. To play this tune, firstly you'll have to hear this original tune repeatedly again and again. I have listened this tune more than 50 times for me to learn and to play. If we listen, what happens is that memory will be with us, that tune memory, and our body will naturally adapt to that notations if we know Sarigama and Tivrasthai and Mandrasthai and also the different Komal Swaras that are involved here. See, this music is neither difficult nor easy. All you need is dedication to practice. If you are a beginner, don't judge yourself too quickly. I'm not able to get this blowing sound. I'm not able to place these fingers properly. My flute is shaking like this. There might be different problems, I understand, but you need time, you need patience, you need perseverance to pursue it with passion. I mean, you should have that patience to to allow things to happen with time. So anything cannot happen just like this. You need time and process. Okay, so don't judge yourself too quickly. Flute learning is a mystical experience. Just go with time and flow. For me, it took like nearly 6 years. 6 years to come to this stage. I mean, you don't have to work that much hard like me. If you can just focus on basics and if you can focus on sarigamas and different things that are involved here, you can play anything. Okay, so we offer flute classes for beginners. So whoever is interested to learn flute from basics, like how to blow the first hole and how to place your fingers and how to move your fingers and what is the position and the swaras that are involved here, Hindustani classical music, we emphasize on different things. So if you are interested to learn with us, you're most welcome to learn with us. We offer online classes from morning 6 to 9. There are different batches that are involved, so you can learn with us if you want, and that's all. To get more videos like this, please subscribe our YouTube channel so that it motivates us to make many more videos like this. And thank you so much.